Hi, I'm Heather Askinosie with Energy Muse, and today we're going to talk about selenite. There are a couple crystals that I think every human being needs to have in their crystal tool chest, and selenite is one of them. And the reason why is that when you hold a piece of selenite, you feel its high vibration. It is a crystal that is able to clear your energy field. It helps to make you feel light. But when I have selenite on my body, and I put it on my body at nighttime before I go to bed to clear the energy of the day, I feel amazing. I like to put a piece over my chest to help clear the energy of the day away. And I also like to clear my energy where I almost feel like I'm brushing my energy field, and I'm brushing off anything that no longer serves or anybody energetically that got attached to me during the day. And I'm just kind of brushing my energy field with white light. For a sleep remedy, I love to put a piece of selenite under my pillow or under my mattress. So if you have a room in your house that seems as if it's kind of dark and stagnant, selenite's the stone you want to bring in, because it'll bring light to any room that feels stuck and dark. To cleanse selenite, I often will smoke it with sage or put it out in the sun to reinfuse its energy. You really don't want to put selenite in water because it will dissolve. When I work with selenite, the mantra that I say is that I am clear. I am clear. I am clear. And this stone helps to clear your energy field, and it helps to clear your mind, and it helps you to just be in a state of connection.